किया है और ये मैंने ऐसा सीखा है, और pass on the knowledge to the somebody. If you have made some mistakes, right, don't keep it on to yourself. If you will share, somebody will do better. Research and development is all about sharing your faults and mistakes. Without sharing, you will not be able to move forward. Keep your basics up to the date. Strength of materials, I have learned some during my engineering time, bending moment and all these things. I still study the book. Because, say for example, today I'm 9 years of experience. 2019 वाला एक बंदा आएगा, he will talk पटर in very fast, I would say, right? He will talk about, he is always basic up to that. So in order to understand what he is saying, I have to also refresh myself. Always be up to date with your basics. Patience, patience, and patience. You just need to keep doing your stuff. Don't stop. There are a lot of things that comes into your life. It will come over there. You'll feel demotivated and all these things. Patience, have patience. अरे इसका हो गया, मेरा नहीं हो पा रहा है. अरे इसका हो गया, मेरा नहीं हो पा रहा है. उसको अच्छा जॉब मिल गया, उसको अच्छा पैकेज मिल गया है, मेरा नहीं हो पा रहा है. Don't think about others. Please keep focusing on yourself, but you need to keep moving. You need to keep moving. अरे उसने गाड़ी खरीद लिया, मेरे पास गाड़ी नहीं है, and all these things. Don't think material positions is not the ultimate thing. Your time will come. Okay, being nice, kind, and honest doesn't cost money. Okay, if somebody wants some help, please help them. Ask for help, be it anyone, be it your juniors or seniors. Please ask for help. If you're stuck somewhere, नहीं यार मैं तो ये खुद ही सॉल्व करूंगा, मैं किसी से मदद नहीं मांगूंगा. That's a very wrong attitude. You're wasting time of the company. Please do not do that. Don't keep things to yourself. In your company, when you're coming over here, right? When you're coming to a company, when you're cracking a job, you'll be able to crack a job. Don't worry about that. Someday will be able to crack a job. I'll help you, no problem. Okay. This is sustainability, right? When you're not helping others, when you're not learning from others, the HR managers, your manager will always keep a notice on you कि ये बंदा जो है फंस जाता है लेकिन अपने आप ही खुद करने के लिए कोशिश करता है, and he's waste time and money of the company. Time is money for a company. अगर you are wasting time, you are wasting money. And I previously told, private companies, it's all about business. They do not want to lose money. Okay, and they keep a track of all this. Please ask for help. Please, sorry, and thank you. Those are the golden words. It's not I love you that are the golden words. Please, sorry, and thank you are the corporate words. कुछ भी पूछो, कुछ भी गलती करो और कुछ भी रिसीव करो, ऑलवेज से. एंड घर जाया करो यार. ऑफिस घर नहीं है. प्लीज घर जाया करो. 9 बजे हो, 10 बजे हो, 12 बजे हो.
Very. Last word is best. Always
Yes.
go home on time and right. Because
when you feel depressed, take a break. Go to your home. Go talk to your mom, dad. Talk to them. You'll always feel
friends
good.
and all.
Yes. Whenever a person is lost somewhere, no, always go home. You'll get your answers there. Great. Is there anything else? A big thank you.
Well, thank you, sir. Thanks a lot.
Is there any question that I can address right now? If you
Hello.
hello.
Hello. Good afternoon, sir. Sir, like you said that you worked for Honda and you learned how to repair the vehicles. So, what
Correct.
did you do that they allowed you to be with them and so that you learned from them?
Yes. I told the golden words. Sir, मैं free में काम करके दूंगा.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
I use this. Just hold on. This one, you talk about internship. Do not run after money and brand name. Focus on the topic.
So,
Yes,
sir,
yes.
are you like sure that even if I don't ask for money, they will let me, work and learn things?
Yes, they will definitely do.
Oh.
They are. See, the thing is that I told you, right? People always work. These businesses always work for money. They want extra hands with the less amount of. So, say for example, if somebody is doing something, right? Obviously, those people will be teaching you. Will spend some time on it. You will have to make sure that okay, you also feed them. they work for that. So you might end up spending, I end up spending like doing some lunch or dinner sometimes for them. But the thing is that they will be teaching you things which you will not be able to learn anywhere outside. Because engineering, जब हम करते हैं ना, mechanical engineering or manufacturing or civil engineering and all these things, physical experience is very much important. If you don't know how to use a spanner, it's it's a big difficulty. It's a big problem when you're designing something. No, these small things, right? How it has helped me, right? Say for example, we have something called a design for service, right? DFA, design for assembly, DFM, design for manufacturing, DFS, design for service. इन तीनों चीज को हम लोग बोलते हैं DFX. X stands for excellency, excellence, design for excellence. Okay, all these three factors. Say for example, अगर मैं Honda में गया and all these things, I did some weekend internship over there. It's not an internship kind of thing, trying to understand. As try to understand ki how he is bolting up nuts and bolts, which type of screws that he is using, what type of screwdriver he is using, what type of nut runner he is using, what type of wrench he is using, how much time he is spending, is he facing any difficulty, is his hand going on somewhere and he's not able to reach it, or all these things. You'll see all this. This is designed for service. You will learn all these things, right? When you learn all these things, when you're going for a design, right? When you're designing something, all these things will come to your head that okay, हाँ मैंने उस बंदे को देखा था कि उसको ये स्क्रू ड्राइवर लगाने के लिए एक्सेसिबिलिटी नहीं मिल रहा, तो वो रॉड बहुत ज्यादा लंबा हो गया and he is not able to access it. How can I solve it? These small things, right? Small things will take you forward. So say for example, when you're having a design review, right? When you're having a design review, when you're having a group discussion, right? They will always talk about all these things. Sir, I have designed it this way because based on my experience, I think that he will face difficulty in putting a wrench over there. There will be accessibility problem. He'll not be able to service it. And serviceability is a very important thing for the design that we are looking at. So I think we should. So you will get what to say, an appreciation, right? Okay, हाँ ये बंदे ने ऐसा भी सोचा है कि हाँ we are actually the thing is that there are so many projects that it goes on running here and there, right? So people lose track of certain things and we miss things. But when you're able to bring the point somewhere, okay, you will get noticed. Definitely you will get noticed. So there are a lot.
Correct. So your experience is
Ma'am, was I clear?
yeah.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Very nice, sir. Very nice. Means your experience is more than money.
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
Right. Means if you do work without money, but your experience is enhancing, but at one point of time they will recognize you and they will
Correct.
start giving some perks and all, and they
Correct.
hire you.
Correct.
Very nice. So if any question, please put on mail or to the Gagan sir, or we will in contact. Big thank you to Mr. Neelam Dingia, sharing all the information in the form of story, as your all PPT give you all the information to our student, and it includes all aspects. I think every student learn lot, even I also, means IQ and EQ. This is most important part. So students should balance with these two things, IQ and EQ, and show your failure, show your guts to tell about your failure as well. So you can employ them. So don't hide these all the things. So all this includes and benefited to the student. At the end, I just say thank you on behalf of Graphic Era University and Department of Mechanical Engineering and our family Graphic Era. And it's really add metal to our student and motivate to show your passion and challenge to others to show their metal. And I also include your suggestions that GD&T and your PDP at the basic level, so they can learn everything at the beginning only. So
Correct.
it would solidify up to and your final year.
Yes.
So once again, thank you, Neelam sir, and Gagan sir, you want to say a few words?
Sir, everything is already covered. Thank you so
Really,
much, sir, for a
really,
wonderful session.
really.
You are really boosting our students. It was a great interaction. I was not expecting that much effective experience that you have shared. It's really awesome. It's like just in a couple of time, like in a span of 1.5 hour, you have given the gist of the 10 years of your experience. Surely this will help our students, and it will be great if you can stay connected with our students.
Yes,
Uh,
yes, definitely.
if they
Why?
hurt, and it will be great if you don't mind if they hurdle you through mails and
I
whatsoever.
okay, it's okay.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you very much. We will stay connected. I'm very I'm also very thankful to our respected Dr. Chand Kishore sir. He is always by
Sir,
our side.
I want to add one thing in this. This time is not enough to share. Means we must be in this type of series of lectures to share by the alumni as Satyam and their teams motivate and give information about their experience. And really, we are in series to develop such type of lectures again. So, thank you. Gagan sir, please.
We will surely, yes, sir. We will sure. It will be our pleasure if we can, when this type of pandemic it ends, we meet in person so that our face-to-face interaction with the students and our students get benefited in that way also. That will be a great say experience also. So thank you so much. Thank you
And
for
thanks
everything.
to audience and the students, those are in meeting, and the faculty members and all the members of Graphic Era University. Thank you for listening and making this program successful. And we looking
Yes.
forward that we must have such type of lectures with the Neelam sir and other persons suggested by the Neelam sir, that which help us our student and other way. So thank you for being in touch in future, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Also, sir, at last, I would like to thank the faculties from Graphic Era Hill University who, in spite of their busy schedule, are available with us from the last 2 hours. So thank you to one and all. Thank you very much. Thank
Thank
you,
you, sir.
Neelam, sir.
So with this, we don't want to end, but it's a time. So thanks once. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Just one final question. Like, say for example, this was one of my what to say, one of my interview questions when I first cracked Nissan, right? So this is one of the engineering problem question that they gave. If you want to solve, then okay, this is the top view, this is the front view. Can you tell me what's the 3D?
So students, please, if anybody,
Yeah, take a
I have
shot
taken the
and
screenshot.
just
I
try
will
to
send you the sir. I have taken the screenshot. I will send you their responses on your WhatsApp.
okay, cool, cool, cool. That
okay,
works.
sir.
Try to solve
Thank,
it. Okay. Thank you.
okay, sir.
Thank
Thank you, sir. Thank you.